In this video, we look at this MIT integration B question. This appeared in the 2024 lightning round. So we can solve this integral by looking at the numerator again. So the numerator, I'm going to start off by expanding the numerator, right? So this is the integral of the tan of 10 12x multiplied by cosine of 10 12x times the cosine of 10 13x, right? I'm just multiplying with these guys, plus the second one, which is the tangent of 10 13x multiplied by the cosine of 10 12x multiplied by the cosine of 10 13x. So all this one divided by the cosine of 20 25x dx, right? So we know that tan is sine over cosine, right? So this is the integral of tangent of 10 12x can be written as sine of 10 12x divided by the cosine of 10 12x, which is multiplied by the cosine of 10 12x and the cosine of 10 13x, plus tangent of 10 13x can be written as the sine of 10 13x divided by the cosine of 10 13x multiplied by the cosine of 10 12x and cosine of 10 13x. All this one is divided by the cosine of 20 25x dx. Now I is going to be, there will be some cancellations here. Cosine of 10 12x is going to cancel the counterpart here on top, and now we have the sine of 10 12x multiplied by the cosine of 10 13x, plus this one will cancel the counterpart on top, and then we have sine of 10 13x multiplied by the cosine of 10 12x. All this one divided by the denominator, which is the cosine of 20 25x dx. Cool result. So I is going to be equal to what? Before we proceed with the integral, we have to know that this one is from the double angle identity, sine of A plus B is going to be equal to sine of A cosine of B plus sine of B and then cosine of A. This is from the double angle identity. So the numerator is just equal to the sine of 10 12x plus 10 13x. If you are comparing that to the double angle identity of sine. So this is the integral of the sine of the angle 10 12x plus 10 13x all over the cosine of 20 25x dx, and this one is equals to the integral of sine of what is the angle now. The angle is now 20 25x because the sum of 10 12x and 10 13x is 20 25 dx. And what is sine over cosine? Sine over cosine is the tangent. So our integral just reduces to the tangent of 20 25x dx. Okay, so now here we can do a u sub, right? Because you know the integral of tangent of x is the natural log of secant. But let's do a u sub here. So we can let u really to be equal to the 20 25x, that is the angle. So du is going to be 20 25 dx. So that implies that dx is going to be 1 over 20 25 du. So we can just replace dx with 20 25 du. Now we can take our integral from the x world into the u world. So I is going to be the integral of now the tangent of u, because 20 25x is u, multiplied by dx, and dx is 1 over 20 25 du. That becomes 1 over 20 25 outside here, and then the integral of tangent of u du. And integrating tangent of u is the natural log of the secant of u plus the constant of integration. So this is what we have. And what is u? U is the 20 25x. So our integral has been reduced to this. This is the final answer of our integral. 1 over 2025, the ln of the secant of u, and u is 2025x plus the constant of integration. So this one is the value of our integral. So if you go back up here, this one evaluates to 1 over 2025 ln of the secant of 2025x plus the constant of integration. So if you find this helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below and let me know how you can solve this integral. I thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.